Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Alight Motion version and backing up the project so nothing gets lost. Next, locate the XML file on your device or cloud. Once found, note its folder path. Make sure source assets referenced in the XML, images, audio, and fonts are available in accessible paths. If any asset path differs, prepare to update it. Doing these first steps avoids missing media later and gets you ready to import immediately. You import the XML into Alight Motion using Import Project or the app's XML import option. Once done, the app may flag missing assets. When that happens, map each missing path to a local file. Select the placeholder, choose Replace, and pick the correct image or audio. Make sure layer hierarchy and timing match the original, and verify composition dimensions like 16:9 or custom sizes. This step ensures the visual structure and timing behave as intended. You now preview the full project and scrub the timeline to confirm effects, masks, and keyframes play correctly. Once satisfied, export a short test video to verify audio sync and overall fidelity. If you encounter errors, make sure to relink missing assets through the Replace function. Alternatively, open the XML in a text editor to correct file paths or file names directly and save. This targeted fix usually resolves import hiccups, so you can re-import and finish with a clean render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.